Hi, my name is Samuel Mauricio Aranguarias and this is my final project. First question. From first to fifth I was a good student. From sixth to eighth I had a lot of disciplinary problems, and it was in ninth that I thought about my future and decided that I would dedicate myself to improving. The school has taught me the value of a responsible and respectful person, in addition to preparing me for the problems I will face in life. 2. I will dedicate some time to find myself, and then I will start a career in which I feel comfortable and can enjoy. 3. For the moment, I plan to study administrative engineering at the UPB. 4. I would like to practice as an entrepreneur because I would like to manage my own companies or my business. Also because the financial and everything related to doing business calls my attention. And 5. I see myself fulfilling my most important goals, mainly finish my career at the UPB and already managing a family business. Thank you.